Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G04, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device to the recovery mode. Now, with that being said, doing so will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. So if you do, all you need to do is just turn off the device, obviously from the lock screen. And one more thing that I'm going to mention before I begin any further is that when doing such a thing, if you go into the settings and you have a Google account signed in and you have a screen lock, and you're doing this to get rid of the screen lock, so I'll just quickly showcase this. Where is it? Oh, there we go. And here, if you have a Google account, which I don't, it should be visible somewhere here. So these are not signed in, obviously. So if you have any kind of Google account signed in with a screen lock and you do this reset to get rid of a screen lock, after the reset is finished, you will be forced to verify either the previously signed in Google account on the device or the screen lock. And assuming you don't know screen lock, that only leaves you with the Google account. And if you don't know that either, then you won't be able to ever finish up the setup. So you're kind of stuck on the setup screen with virtually a brick for a phone. Now, the reason I mention this is because there's probably going to be some people that will, that this will be a very informative piece of news here. And additionally, I would typically be recording a bypass to this kind of thing, which it's a Motorola device, so there should be a bypass for this. But on my list, I don't have any kind of link right now. So honestly, I don't know if there is a bypass or not. I presume there might be for the people interested. But the person at the company that usually finds those didn't really do their job right now. So for those people, or for this purpose, I'm kind of mentioning this. If you really need this kind of bypass, I would recommend checking out, though I don't know if it's going to work, any kind of bypass, most recent one for any other Motorola device. Hopefully this will work for you, as they're usually interchangeable between the brand. So most Motorola bypasses should work as long as it's more recent one. Now, anyway, without further ado, let's just jump into the reset. So I'm going to lock the device. Even though I don't have a screen lock, I think I can just kind of mimic it. So pull down your notifications and select the power button. So that's one way, and you just select power off. And I'm pretty sure there's also a key combination, which will be what? Power button and volume up. And then again, just select power off. The device will turn off, and then you can hold power button and volume up once more. Now when you see the Motorola logo, you can let go of the power button. There we go. And after a moment, you should see the recovery mode. Now in here, using volume buttons, either up or down, you can navigate. So we want to select, there we go, wipe data, factory reset. Once it's selected, confirm it with the power button. Then select factory data reset, confirm that. At the bottom, you'll see the last entry will be data wipe complete, with reboot system now being selected by default. So press power button once more, and this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this will take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.